Waterworks by Yoon. Where does water come from? Water is a limited and precious resource and the only substance in nature found as liquid, solid, and gas. Most of the world's fresh water is frozen and most of the world's water is too salty and cannot be drunk. Only 3% of the world's water is fresh and less than 1% of that water is drinkable. Fresh water is found in rivers, lakes, aquifers, and plants. The sun heat causes evaporation from streams, lakes, oceans, and rivers and transpiration from plants. It then changes to a gas called water vapor which forms cloud, and this is called condensation. The clouds get heavier and heavier as more water evaporates and forms bigger clouds, and when they get too heavy, it rains, hail, sleets, or snow. This is called precipitation. After the water has fallen, it collects in rivers, lakes, oceans, and aquifers. Some people only water sources are well. This water is cleaned when it filters into the ground through sand and gravel. Pipes bring clean water to our houses, so we always have a constant water supply. This water is first cleaned and stored in a reservoir. How do we use water? We use water in many different ways. In our homes, we use water for cleaning floors, toilets, dishes, and furniture. We need water to wash our bodies and for drinking. In our gardens, we use water to water plants and to swim in our swimming pools. Firefighters also use water to put out fires in buildings. Water is used a lot in many types of factories. Example, beer, wine, fruit, and paper. Here in Vietnam, people throw water onto the street to clean them. Restaurants also use water for cooking and to clean vegetables and fruits. How water is polluted. Most of the sea, lakes, and rivers are polluted by animals and people. Polluting is a very bad thing. There are a lot of ways to pollute the water. A lot of water is polluted by people throwing trash into it. There are other ways that water can become polluted. These include animal manure, oil leaking from boats, toxic waste, farmers using pesticides and fertilizer for plants, and many other things. When we ride boats, we feel great, but when oil is leaking, it pollutes water and kills many kinds of sea animals. Some factories' toxic waste go into the water, which causes pollution and kills fish. How can we protect water? There are many different ways to protect and conserve water. We have to make sure that there are enough rubbish bins near water, so we can put rubbish in the bin, not into the water. We also can recycle and clean water. We can use our own water bottle and not use too much water in our homes. We also can send letters to government to ask for tougher laws to prevent people dumping waste product into water. All these ways will help protect and conserve water.